Hello friends, how are you? Hope all are well. The last video we have seen how to do the break statement, how to use in break statement in Python, So in this video we will see how to do continue, some reason you want to continue run your loop, and if you want to put a specific condition, okay, if you find this, but still continue run the loop, some circumstances you need to use continuous statement, so in this case, we'll go through a couple of example, so the same fruit list, I've created here the list, number of items inside the list. So in here, I'm running the for loop, for fruit in my fruit list. If fruit equal to orange, saying even if you find the orange but still continue, and I'm printing in here, so if I run this, you'll see it's printing apple, banana and watermelon, but it's keeping orange, so I'm saying, if the condition is there but still you continue the loop, this is how you can use continue statement, it's very useful, to run, if you want to skip something, if the condition is met, but still you run your loop, and how to do, on the both of them, the last video we have seen, the break. So in this video we'll do continue both of them, how to do continue and break, let's say, and the same, and the inside the follow for fruit in fruit list, I'm saying, if the length of the fruit name, those from the fruit list, it will store in all the variable in here the fruit. So I'm saying the length of the fruit is not equal to 6, just continue, and then printing the fruit name here. So it will skip the apples and watermelon, because they are not condition is matching, so if I, and then if the fruit equal to orange, it will break, there. So if I run these, the both of them a 6 character, 336. So it's first condition, and the second condition is the orange one. The one is found is break, so it's breaking. Let's see. Another thing, you can see how to use the return statement inside the loop, sometimes you are the big loop, and your return is a one way you kill the for loop, you stop once the condition is met, you are stopping straight away, so this is how you can use return statement. Another nice way to stop the for loop, like a same, a break, so I'm saying, just create the functions, the find fruit, and I'm passing the fruit name. When I call the functions, I have to pass the name of the fruit, the fruit names. So for fruit in fruit list, same for loop, I'm using, if that fruit equal to apple, then I'm returning, we found out the fruit, so I'm printing the fruit, the moment it's finding the apple, it's gonna stop the for, it's gonna stop, it's not gonna, so if I run this, and you can see, I'm just going to, we found out the fruit apple, so this is how you can use the return statement. Here's the for loop, and then if conditions and returning, so if I, let's say, if I put the orange, so okay, we find out the fruit orange, so it's going through, even you can print in here, you're going through the inside the for loop, and it's printing, if I put a print statement here, it's going to print all the fruits, and when the moment is found in the orange, it will stop, so orange here, stop. Let's say if I put the banana, so hope we see you next video, you can play yourself, thanks very much, thanks for